guys, I am gonna be showing you the new Hello Kitty update, Hello Kitty experience, okay? And you could see the gift shop is adorable. Like I'm in love. Now let's check out the clothes first. So let's go. And we also get a Halloween mystery gift during this update. So I made my toca world reset so I could get the update. And then I think this is new. These two are new, I'm pretty sure. I don't think this is new. Yeah, I think these two are new. And then these three are new. I love this one, it's so cute. But this one's also cute, but I love this. I'm gonna make a character roll doing this. How about I make Cinnamon Roll, since he's my favorite. Cinnamon Roll's a boy, by the way. I'm gonna make his. I'm so used to calling him a girl. I always think he's a girl. White skin, and then I'm gonna give Cinnamon Roll these. See, these are new. I'm gonna give her these a cute eyes though, because Cinnamon Roll is cute. I can't. And then we're gonna see, there's no new noses here. I think, yeah, there's no new eyebrows. Cinnamon Roll doesn't have eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do that. And then, new faces, no new faces. So I'm gonna pick this one, and then this is, I'm pretty sure, new. I'm not gonna give Cinnamon Roll, I'm gonna give her some blush, of course. There's, of course, this new blush, but I feel like Cinnamon Rolls would suit this stuff. Or this. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's make it light pink. That's good. And then this is new. And then these are new. And I think this might be new. I don't think it is. These two are new. This is new, I'm pretty sure. Oh, why? I love these two. And I don't know if that's. Look at this and this. This is gorgeous. I love it. But it's not giving Cinnamon Roll. What was giving Cinnamon Roll this? It's white. I'm getting anything that's okay. But this is giving Cinnamon Roll. I'm gonna take that because you know. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna not take that one. I like this one. Just for this vibe. And I love this cute forgot his name, but like it's so cute. Anything else? Is there anything else? Let's see this. What is it? Oh wait, I think that's from Pom Pom Korean. I think that's his name. I love this, but it's not Cinnamon Roll. Wait, I'm just gonna give Cinnamon Roll a bow. I don't care. I'm giving her a bow. Are there any glasses? Don't think so. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's adorable. It's adorable. And then, oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. Oh my gosh, and we got this new one. Kuromi one. Kuromi. Cinnamon Roll is my favorite. Kuromi is my second favorite. Oh my gosh, she looks gorgeous. Anyways, now let's check out the furniture. I did see the beds, but I didn't see the rest of the furniture. I only saw the beds. Cause yeah, I didn't want to spoil the rest for me. So yeah. Hey, let's just check it out. Let's just go to the house. Okay, so these two beds, they're adorable. Like, I love. This can be Cinnamon Roll's house. I'm gonna make the Cinnamon Roll's house. This is adorable. I'm everything away for now. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I'm in love! This is adorable. Sadly, this update didn't come with a new house, but look at this! Oh my gosh! Oh no, my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Love it! It's giving cinnamon roll. And this cologne desk, cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. This is so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this cinnamon roll cupboard. That's cute. Oh my gosh, these carpets. How about let's lay all the carpets here so you can take a good look at them. There. Yes, and then let's put all the bedroom stuff in here. The beds can go on the side. And then we'll give you like a tour of all the new items that came. I'm gonna put that there because we need to make space for the curtains. This curtain can go over here. This can go over here. And yeah, we're just keeping pictures of all the new stuff. I love all the new cinnamon roll stuff mostly. I love the cinnamon roll. I'm just gonna add one Karomi item, which is the Karomi desk. That's okay. Karomi desk is fine. Next, let's check the bathroom house. Nothing new. Looks like oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this on the desk. So, anything here? Oh my gosh! Can you put it down? Yes! I love this room. Like, oh my gosh! Oh, look at this! It's so cute. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna put that tub over here. And then that can go over there. And this, I think this is like part 2, right? Yeah, this is part 2 of the update. I mean, not the update, like the thing. Because they did a Hello Kitty one, but it was like only Hello Kitty, I think. The only thing was that in the gift shop they showed some other stuff, but this is like the full Sanrio group. So I like it. This update, and it has way more cute stuff. Are there new paintings? Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna splash it around the floor. I think this one can go into this room, and then this one can go into this room, and then I can't use all of them, but I'll show you this one. This one, it looks like that. So yeah. Don't mind the background noise. So yes, all wait. Okay, guys, this is all the stuff that came in the new update.
Oh, very good. I knew he was around here somewhere. But that's not what you want me to tell you anyway. You just literally, you wanted me to see whatever. The soup shop's been doing well. I can't talk to you somewhere.
A lot of food came with it and a lot of drinks. And this is definitely such a big update. Like, look how many things came with this compared to last Hello Kitty update. Let me show you what came with the last Hello Kitty update. And let's compare them. That was the tour for our first. Now, let's just put that in. So give me a high zero, give me a 3. Let's pick this is a house. I'm just gonna click ready to play because ready to play comes with all the stuff. Versus last update, there's a big improvement. Like, let me show you all the stuff that came with last update. This is all the stuff. Like, look.
Nobody's noticed One down here, Kite. Demand for my services is fit the race. May I have your permission to raise my prices? Do I get a kite? Do it? Wait, why am I? How many people?
So as you can see, way more things came with this update than last. So yeah, I feel like this is an amazing update. Yeah, I won't be uploading for a while because my whole toca will reset, and I'm just gonna post this out for you guys. If there's anything I missed in the update,